Welcome to CAD Sorcery. Last video I showed you the installation process. This video I'm here to guide you through updating your SolidWorks software to a newer service pack. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more SolidWorks content. This method I'm going to show you is available only to those with an active subscription who already have SolidWorks installed on the machines and didn't use administrative image for the installation. Instead of going to the My SolidWorks page and download the latest service pack, we'll be using the Check for Updates tool, which you can find either through your Windows applications or within SolidWorks itself. Simply look for it in the top right corner under the question mark dropdown. A crucial point to remember is that SolidWorks files are not backwards compatible, so if you're in a collaborative environment where your colleagues are using previous versions, you won't be able to work on the same files. Working with different service packs is generally fine, but different major versions can cause compatibility issues. When you run the Check for Updates tool, it will display the latest available version. If you're more than one version behind, a drop-down will appear, allowing you to select your desired service pack. From there, the installation manager will take over, and the process will be similar to what we covered in the SolidWorks installation video. And there you have it! You've successfully updated your SolidWorks to the latest service pack, or your desired service pack. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on what's coming next. See you next video!